Illegal taking of my grandchildren for federal funding and cover-up of abuse in foster care. In approximately May 2001, I reported that my grandchildren, who are now adults, were beaten and made to go without food in foster care in the home of Sharika. I was cut off from visiting my grandchildren for 6 months under the pretense by my attorney, Atty Samuels, that I had to wait that long to go to notice motion hour for a hearing, which was scheduled for January the 14th, 2002. At a much later date, I found out that notice motion hours are held every week. Therefore, I was lied to by my attorney, Atty Samuels. Meanwhile, the children were left in the home of Sharika by the Cabinet for Families and Children, where they were being severely abused. Note: the following voicemail message proves that Atty Samuels, though he was paid to represent me, was not present for court on January the 14th, 2002, and that Judge Jerry Bowes lied on the court order by stating Atty Samuels was present, as I had no representation. Further, I arrived 15 minutes early for court, and they had already had it without me. Next, you're going to hear the transcript of voicemail message left by my attorney, Atty Samuels, who used to work for the state and was part of the corruption and illegal taking of my grandchildren. On the day after court, January 15, 2002, I received this voicemail message from Atty Samuels.
Connie, as far as this Daniel, I'm returning your call. I was in court all day yesterday. I went up to see Judge Bowles before the motion hour on the motion for visitation. We had a long talk. He had overruled your motion, and, he posted it, I think, but he told me that since he'd already ruled on it, the reason he did it was wanted to wait until he ruled on the cabinet's motion to try to dismiss the custody case. He said he would have an opinion out on that in about a week or so. So he felt like he didn't want to do anything with visitation until he ruled on the other case. And he told me there was no point in me coming back. I went over there because I was going to federal court and I might have been a little late for motion hour. And he said just not to bother to come back since he already ruled on the motion. All right, that's it.
Next, you will see the order that Judge Bowles signed stating that Atty Samuels was present for court. This is the order, and here is where it states, counsel appearing in the matter are the Honorable Atty Samuels, counsel for the petitioner. Again, it says Atty Samuels was present. And I'm going to scroll down. And there is Judge Bowes' signature on the order. And then after this is going to be the receipt of the monies that I paid Atty Samuels to be in court to represent me. Therefore, my grandchildren were taken illegally by the state for federal funding.